Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install FabFilter Total Bundle. The first thing, I got my downloads from pluginforest.com. They offer instant download, feature-free updates and lifetime activation. They also offer 24/7 live chat support. If you have any issue, you can contact with them and they're gonna help you instantly. Okay, so once you bought from pluginforest.com, you will get this zip file. All you have to do is unzip the file. Okay, so once you unzip the file, open the folder, install the setup, click next. Make sure you have select all of this one. Okay, so once you install setup, open your tab. I'm using Ableton. Okay, now open FabFilter. Go to the downloaded folder. Here you can see serial keys text file. Open it. Now all you have to do is open one by one plugins. Click enter license. Make sure you have copy all from here to here. Copy. Okay, so now you have to reopen your tab. Boom. There you go. Everything is working fine now. Enjoy your plugin. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Peace.